Hello friends, welcome to NTFON. Today I am going to show you about square tricks. Here I have written the squares of like 11's 1 to 1, 12, 1, 4, 4. So I am going to show you about how to calculate these squares in very easy way in very short time. Like here I am going to show you about squares of 11. Here square of 11. Let us first draw the here three lines like this. Then we have to look at in this two digits number, and here we have to return the square of these two numbers in first and last term. Like 1 square is 1, we have to return it here, and 1 square is here 1. And then in middle part we have to multiply this, like 1 into 1 into 2, it's become the 2, and these three numbers we can combine here 1 2 1, and here is the square of 11, 1 2 1 1 2 1. Like this we are going to calculate the square of 25 square. Let us draw the three lines here like this. Then we have to put the square of these two numbers in here and here, like 5 square is 25. But friends, we have to notice here 5 square is 25. Here it's come the two digits number, but in 11 here is only the one digit number. So in 25 we are only allowed to read the here one digit number, like here 1 2 and 5, and here we are going to return only 5, and its 2 is added in the middle part here, and again we are going to return here square of this 2, it's become the 4, and in middle part we have to multiply this number 2 into 5 into 2, 2 into 5 10, 10 into 2 20. In 20 we have to add 2, it's become the total 22. Again friends, here become the two digits number, so we are not allowed to return the two digits number, so we are only to return here 1, like 2, and another 2 is added in first one 2, and we add the 2 and 4, it's become the 6, and total here becomes the 6 to 5, and here is the square of 6 to 5, and square of 25 is 6 to 5. Like this I am going to show you about square of 43. Let us draw the three lines here and return the square of this 4 and 3 in first and last number. Like 3 square is 9, here 9, 4 digits is 16. But friends, at the first part if there come the two digits number, then we can easily return here, there is no doubt. So in middle part we are again going to multiply this number and return here, like 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24, 24 here. But friends, here comes the two digits number, so we are only return the last digit number, here is the 4, and 2 is going to error in the 16, and its total becomes the 9 4 8 1, and it's become the 1849. This is the square of 43. And again I am going to show you the square of 87. Let us draw the three lines here, and here the square of 7 is 49. Again come the two digits number, so only return here the 9, and 4 is added in the middle part, and here square of 8, 64. And I am going to calculate this a into 7 into 2, its total become the 1 and 2, here 1 and 2. Then we have to add 4 in this number 1 and 2, then its total become the 116, 1 and 6. Then friends, here comes the three digits number 116, but we are only allowed to return here the only one digits. So in three digits number, this 11 is added in the first one, only 6 is remaining here there, so total it's become the 9 6 5 7, total becomes the 7 5 6 9. This is the square of 87. Like this last one I am going to show you the square of 96. Let us draw the three lines here, again return the square of 36. Again two digits number come, here we are only return the 3 and added 3 in the middle part, and again 9 square is 81, and we multiply this number. 9 into 6 into 2, its total become the 108, and we have to add this 3, it's become the 111. And again here comes the 3 digit number, so we are only written here the 1 digit number like 1, and this 11 is added in the this one. So here total become the 6 1 2 9, and here become the 9 2 1 6. This is the square of 96. So friends, today I have taught you about the short tricks of square. So in next video I will show you about the cube tricks. So friends, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this.